My brother Ty Mang takes care of business for real. Boogie Black, my birthday bash. Me and my brother Lord Priest, we about to shut this whole party down. I got Red Alert, Mel Star. I brought some friends out, man.
Will Trax.
Will Trax. Again. Goldie. Rushing to my party. States the facts. Today is my birthday, baby. I brought them out for the water. You understand? Out to the water. Let me show you how this boat is looking, man. Look at Red Alert right there minding his business. Puerto Rico, B. You see how we do it, man?
Yeah.
See how we do it?
Yeah.
See how we do it?
Yes, sir.
See how we
It's
do
the
it?
family affair. What?
It's the family affair.
Yes. Happy birthday to my.
Yeah, tell him. Talk to
Happy
him.
birthday to my brother. This cat right here hold me down. You heard? This is love right here. You see. We break bread together.
That's right. A lot of bread too. A lot of bread.
Thank you, sir.
Let me show you how this boat is looking, man. You see? Hello, legends. Girl, I want to see you in the hotel.
Let's work.
Shout out to my homie Tom, man. You already know. Boogie Black, all day, every day. Salute to you, my brother.